So this watch here, I got this years ago. You can still get it, but I think it just becomes on a bracelet now. I got this watch years ago because I was just wanted a more classic looking watch. And this one stuck out to me. Simple dial, the day and the date as well was really good. It was, I think it was like just over $100 Australian. So I didn't spend a lot of money at all on it. And this watch has been amazing for me. I've obviously changed the strap. The strap that came with it it tapered to very thin. I got rid of it. I made another strap for it and then it teared and then I made this watch strap for it, which has been great. I've made it just a full 20 millimeters all the way around, no tapering, got like a different buckle and it's been great. Again, it's very simple. 36 millimeters, day, date, time, amazing. That's all I need. It's a quartz, obviously it's battery. I've only had to replace the battery once and it's been great. And with this watch in particular, I'm going to be changing out the leather strap. So I'm going to make a black one, a brown one. Now the pros, of course, solid build, great value for money. Probably the downside was the strap that came with it. Unless you're someone who doesn't like quartz watches, it's a quartz watch. The only thing is with the day and the date, the downside is obviously it goes to 31. So there's a 30 in the month, 28 in the month. You obviously have to manually the date yourself. And also you want to make sure that the date and the day flick over at midnight. So my day and date would flick over at midday. So then I had to obviously change it. It would obviously be at midnight on the watch, but it was on midday during the day. So I'd have to like put forward and then like change the day and date back, make it all like line up. But it's a good beginner's watch. I rate it a 7 out of 10. Probably a 6 for the watch strap that came with it, but with another leather strap, it's definitely a 7 out of 10. So let me know what you think. Do you like Citizen? I like Citizen watches. What watch should I review next?